In this video, we'll be looking at integration by substitution for definite integrals. Press pause to copy down these steps for U substitution. When you're ready to continue, press play. Our first example is evaluate the definite integral from 1 to 5 of the quantity 2x minus 5 cubed dx. Our first step is to choose a value for u in terms of x. So we will choose this quantity that's being raised to a power. So u equals 2x minus 5. Our next step is to take the derivative. So du is equal to 2 dx. Now, since our expression that we're integrating only has dx here, we'll solve this for dx and we get dx equals 1/2 du. Then we're going to make substitutions so that the expression is all in terms of u. Now, with the definite integral, we have to talk about the limits of integration as well. Our limits of integration are x equal 1 to x equal 5. With u substitution, we're going to use this expression to find the limits of integration in terms of u. So if x is equal to 1, we put 1 in here, and we find that the lower limit of integration is -3. And then if the upper limit is x equal 5, so we'll put that into our expression, and we find that u is equal to 5 for the upper limit. Now our entire expression that we have to integrate is the definite integral from u equal -3 to u equal 5 of u cubed times 1/2 du. We can take this 1/2 out in front, and so now we have 1/2 times the integral from -3 to 5 of u cubed du. When we integrate, we have our 1/2 from the front, and then increase the exponent by 1 and divide by the new exponent, so it's u to the 4th power, and then 1/4 is our division by 4. And then, since it's a definite integral, we show that this way. Now we're going to use our fundamental theorem of calculus and evaluate this expression first for u equal 5. So we find the value of f of 5, and then subtract from that the value of f of -3, which is our lower limit. So 1/8 comes from the product of these two fractions, and then 5 to the 4th power minus -3 to the 4th power. 68.